Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can share the Wi-Fi password from the iOS device to the Android one. So at the start in the iOS device, go to the settings, choose the Wi-Fi and tap on your network. Now if you want to show the password, tap on it and now you can see there you have a password. So now go to the networks on your Android device. Sorry, have to wait a second. You can see that you have our network. Just type the same password like here and click connect. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe and a comment and goodbye.